Determine the equation of a line passing through the point A having coordinates 2, 3 and making an angle of 45 degrees with the x-axis. Additionally, determine the length of the intercept on this line between point A and another line with the equation x plus y plus 1 equals to 0. Let us begin. So first, let's try to understand the problem graphically. For this, we'll be considering the xy coordinate plane. So here we have a line L. So let's suppose that this line passes through the point A having coordinates 2, 3. And also it is making an angle of 45 degrees with the x-axis. We need to determine the equation of this line. Okay, and additionally we have to determine the length of the intercept on this line between points A and another line. So that means we have another line. Let's say it passes through this point. Let's call it the point B. Another line whose equation is given to us, x plus y plus 1 equals to 0. Let's draw a line that passes through this point B. Now, our goal will be to also determine the length of the intercept AB. Okay, first what we'll do, we're going to use the distance form of a line to determine the equation of line L. Okay, so using the distance form, so here to find out the equation of a line using the distance form, what we need is 2 points. So here we need the point A, that's the point through which the line passes. We need another point B. So let's say the B has the coordinates x, y. Now, using the distance form, we have to be a little bit careful here. Since the point A lies to the right of B, that simply means that the x and the y coordinate of point A are greater than the x and the y coordinate of point B. So our equation is going to become 2 minus x divided by cosine of the angle 45 degree, and this is going to be equals to 3 minus y divided by sine 45 degrees. Okay, now let's simplify this equation. So 2 minus x divided by, so cosine 45 degree, that's 1 over square root of 2, and we have 3 minus y divided by sine 45 degrees, so that's also 1 over square root of 2, which means we have 2 minus x equals to 3 minus y. So rearranging the terms, we're going to get x minus y equals to negative 1. So let's call it number 1, and we have successfully obtained the equation of line L. So that's what we needed to find in the first part of the problem. We need to find out the equation of the line. So that is done. Now next what we'll do, we'll try to find out the intercept AB. Now that's an extremely simple task. To find out the intercept AB, what we can do, we can first figure out what is the coordinate of the point B. The coordinate of point B, that is simply going to be the intersection of the line L, which is x minus y equals to negative 1, and the line x plus y plus 1 equals to 0. So we solve this equation to find out the point of intersection B, and once we have the coordinate value of point B, we can use the distance formula to obtain the intercept AB. Okay, so let's do one thing. Let's solve the two equations. So we are going to solve the equation x minus y equals to negative 1. So this is the equation of line L, and the other equation, so that's x plus y plus 1 equals to 0, or we can simply say x plus y equals to negative 1. Let's add up the two equations, and that's going to give us 2x equals to negative 2 and x equals to negative 1. And we can substitute x equals to negative 1 in either of the two equations, which is going to give us y value equals to 0. So that means the coordinates of the point B, that is going to be negative 1, 0. Fine. Now, what will be the intercept? So the intercept AB that we needed. So we're going to use the distance formula. So here we have the point A with coordinates 2, 3. That's noted down. A has the coordinates 2, 3, and B has got the coordinates negative 1, 0. So we'll take the difference of the x coordinates. So 2 minus negative 1, that's going to be positive 3. We square this value and add it to the difference of the y coordinate squared. So 3 minus 0, that's simply 3. We have 3 squared, and that is going to give us 3 times square root of 2. That is going to be the intercept AB, intercept AB, we can say distance between A and B.